y'all, it is Melissa from Because Goats. It has been forever since I've done a video. I just thought I'd give you an update on the garden and what we're doing with it, which is apparently not. Okay, so the last time you saw the garden, it was fairly full. The zucchini and squash stopped producing a long time ago, so I just pulled them out. They're not doing anything, but this pepper bush plant is producing some seriously awesome peppers, and it kind of did the same thing last year. Near the end of the season, we had a lot of peppers growing, which is good because my bell peppers have sprung to life. Ouch, that hurt. I just got bit. Sorry about that. My banana peppers have sprung to life, and my tomatoes are going crazy. I think we're about done with the cherry tomatoes, although I see some plants right there. But this got 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 tomatoes that are growing right there, and some more plants. Flower buds coming up. So they are taking off now that the weather is cooler. Banana peppers are taking off. The lettuce is gone. I didn't take it. An animal probably got it. A rabbit or something. The basil is looking very good. Very good indeed. We've had a good year and a good harvest. The goats, they don't like cucumbers. Not cucumbers. They don't like squash. My husband's picking on me, saying I'm talking to myself. Over in this one, we thought we were going to get some squash out of here. We actually had some, but I guess it just rained too much and that plant is just gone. This pepper plant is starting to grow again, which is good. It's over here all by its lonesome. I don't remember what I planted here because I lost the name thing. But I'm sure it's gonna be good. I'll dig it up. It kind of looks like a carrot. It kind of is not a carrot. So we'll let it grow and see what it does. I don't remember what it was, so I thought I planted the carrots in the middle, which they're not doing anything. And this cucumber did not do anything. So, lessons learned from this year. Put tomatoes in cages. Put the cucumbers and zucchini by themselves. Put up a trellis. So we'll do that next year. We'll probably, and squash and zucchini over here. And some melons. My one melon didn't make it. I accidentally pulled it up. And we'll put some trellises up. And this garden will be peppers, tomatoes, herbs, and other, probably lettuce and other, maybe okra. So we'll see, and we'll get some more fence and finish that for next. So that is all. I have some footage that I will add to this from another video and a day trip that we did as we gear down for fall. I will say, and I will post the link in the bottom for this, if you have a hard time growing things, as I do, of course I did learn some things. Misfits Markets for $35 a week. So I added into my grocery bill. I get enough of fruits and vegetables for a family of 5. And they're organic. And it's probably one of the best things I've done, other than bountiful baskets in Oklahoma or Texas when we lived in Texas. But Misfits Markets, I'm going to leave a link down at the bottom here, will feed your family fresh fruits and vegetables. We got turnips, squash, zucchini, some sort of squash. I don't even know what it is. Never had it before, but it was good. Let's see what else. We got potatoes. We got rosemary, that was an add-on because I wanted it. Carrots, celery, apples, lemons, and mango, and something else I can't remember. Anyway, it was a lot of food for $35. You pick your delivery date. This is a non-sponsored video. I'm just telling you guys about it because I'm not the best at growing things and I'm just learning. So until next time, I will see you on the next video. Enjoy the extra footage at the end, and we'll see you maybe in a week or so. Probably from the beach. Yeah, see ya. Y'all, so we got all of the goats out here in this little hillside. We know that's probably grounding out right there, but anyway, right, the goats don't bother. They know what it's there for because they all have been shot by the fence. But we'll probably weed eat that right there in a couple days. But right now, this is all of them, and Chip is over there just munching away. I think it is his first time out here on this hill. You would think they were starving. I would love to. Camper?
What is it? One you guys get?
Yeah. Apparently that guy, he's his bath time.